It's currently 10 a.m. on June 11th, 2026. We're at Hall 8.1 in Area A of Guangzhou's Panzhou Complex, that China Lighting Capital Hall. The foot traffic here has already reached its peak for this year's exhibition. Buyers from Europe, the Middle East, and North America have practically taken over the main aisles of this hall. Now, the biggest highlight of Hall 8.1, appearing for the first time at the GILE, is the collective transformation of China's lighting capital using Zhongshan from traditional manufacturing to precision exports and original design. For overseas buyers, the most valuable takeaway here is learning how to bypass that 300% marketing tax on big-name brands and connect directly with the hidden manufacturing giants who produce for the world's top hotel chains. As a seasoned overseas buyer, you've got to see through the internal market conditions and trends of Chinese manufacturing. The internal market condition is currently undergoing a major polarization. Some low-end markups secretly use recycled die-cast aluminum with high impurities, then use low-quality acid for electroplating to pass them off as high-precision products. Within 18 months, it will definitely oxidize, turn black, and the coating will bubble. On the other hand, the hidden champion suppliers we've screened only use H65 precision pure brass and can readily provide neutral salt spray test reports for over 48 hours. The current global trend is toward minimalist, anti-glare, and dark sky-friendly lighting, while the advantage of Chinese suppliers lies in their incredible mold-licking efficiency and industrial clustering. The disadvantage abroad is the high cost of labor and lead times that can span 12 weeks. Today's mid to high-end consumers prefer hidden, trimless light sources and an ultra-high color rendering index. We're talking products with a CRI of 95% or higher and electrical safety designs with zero risk of leakage. When screening suppliers here in Hall 8.1, you just need to apply my 3 McKinsey-style hard metrics. First, check if the creepage distance is greater than 3.0 millimeters. That's the make or break line for avoiding returns from European customs. Second, we need to test the product's salt spray tolerance. Finally, always insist that the supplier provides an integrating sphere test report that includes IES optical files. Today, Guzhen is no longer just a cheap supply chain. It's transforming into a hub for branding, customization, and precision OEM with private deployment. I've compiled a price and capacity hedging white paper for the 5 Guzhen heading OEM champion supply chains in Hall 8.1 that passed my rigorous screening. Reply GAP in the comments and let Blair share this audit checklist with you.